The Chevy Malibu auto stop and start. How to disable that feature? Well, let me show you. How you can turn off the auto shut off on the engine and the auto start that's on the Chevys. Right here, as you can see, I'm coming up to a stop and watch the auto stop shut down the engine. Yes, that's gonna be very annoying. And this video here is how to actually shut off that feature. And if you bear with me, I will show you guys how to turn that off. You put your car in park, put it all the way in L. As you can see, it's in L now. You hit this plus button, and you want to keep on going until you're in L6. Once you're in L6, the engine will not shut off. It will keep going. And let me just do a small demonstration while I approach this next stoplight, because it can be annoying for it to stop and start on you. You can see I'm coming up on a stoplight, and you look at my speed, it drops down to 0, and the car does not shut off. That there feature, ladies and gentlemen, is how you turn off the auto stop and start. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to me, and always thank you for watching.